I haven't had a screen protector on my Model Y for a year. How did I do? Do you really need one? Who is a screen protector for? What screen protector would I use? In this video, I will give you my take on whether a screen protector is a must-have, a nice-to-have, or nonsense. Number one, I believe the better safe than sorry crowd would be best off getting a screen protector. After all, if you think about it, the center console controls everything. Your AC, heat, radio, navigation, charging, towing, everything. Maybe it's just better to throw a screen protector on it from day one and just be done with it. Number two, I'm a parent. I believe if you have small children, you could be a better candidate for a screen protector. As a parent, I say to you, small children can be unpredictable. Kids throw things. They fight in the backseat. All they would need to do is throw a baseball, an iPhone, a Nintendo Switch, straight up the middle, and boom. Now you have to pay for a new center console. Number three, do you have a screen protector on your smartphone? If the answer is yes, then maybe a super quick, no thought response would be just get it in your Tesla as well. Number four, sensitive eyes. This one speaks to me. At certain parts of the day and at a particular angle, the sun can reflect off the center console and shine directly into your eyes. If this bothers you, a matte screen protector might be a good idea. This is a problem that affects me personally, but I wear sunglasses most of the time when I drive, so that helps alleviate it greatly. Number five, fingerprints. Let's say it all together now. Fingerprints. If the idea of fingerprints all over the screen makes you icky, a screen protector might be for you. Number six, if you tend to be clumsy. If you're self-aware enough that you're the type of person who drops things or is in general uncoordinated, you may want to consider a screen protector. Number seven, micro scratches. Now, this does happen. I put a cover on my MacBook Air and you can see all of the teeny tiny scratches in the plastic. Is this a fair comparison? A glass screen versus a metal laptop? No, but micro scratches do happen on all devices. Number eight, if you have someone in your life who tends to lose control of themselves, maybe it's their temper, maybe it's a medical condition, that Tesla screen is just begging to be hit. Of course, it goes without saying you should probably leave or reduce the amount of interactions you have with that individual, but maybe that's not an option. Maybe this is what you do for a living. Maybe there's no way around it. Number nine, pet owners. If you tend to leave your pet in the car while you run errands, they shed, they drool. All it would take is your dog's nail in the wrong place, at the wrong time, unsupervised, and now you have a permanent scratch deep in the screen of your Tesla. Full transparency, I'm a former dog owner, but at this time, I am not. Number 10, rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, and so on. Passengers, and especially drunk ones, can be unpredictable. So imagine you're picking up a passenger. This passenger is drunk and has never been in a Tesla. They get in, they geek out over all the tech. Exciting, right? That's what we live for. Except they get a little bit too touchy-feely, especially right now with the global illness that's going on. A screen protector might give you a little bit more peace of mind about the entire situation. I got my Tesla Model Y in February 2021. Considering what the center console represented, which is essentially everything, I thought I would get a screen protector. But eventually I thought to myself, I'll just kind of see how it goes. And to be honest, so far so good. I have two small kids and they love to play games, YouTube, and so on with the center console. At times, they have fought over control of the screen, but they've since learned a system and how to share it. So in this part, we're going to talk about strategy a little bit, about how you might want to approach getting a screen protector, whether it's right for you or not. So I think that strategy number one would be just the set it and forget it crowd. Buy one on day one, pop it on there, and then just forget about it. You're good to go. Strategy number two, it's the camp that I fall into, which is the wait and see. Wait it out for like 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and just see how it goes. You can always put one on, but maybe you need it. Maybe you don't. Maybe it's going to be a waste of $40 for you. If I were to install a screen protector in my car, I would use the Spigen model. I'm not an affiliate and I'm not making any money by sending you there. This is genuinely the product that I would use. Number one, it comes with an application case to ensure that you get a 100% perfect fit onto the screen. No more slightly lopsided sheets. Number two, it's got a matte finish. I like that. So it will reduce glare and fingerprints. Check out the description below for a direct link to their website. Again, I'm not an affiliate. This is actually the product I like. If you choose to go with this product, I suggest checking out some YouTube videos to know what you're in for. Well, I'm happy to report that so far so good. My kids, a 6-year-old and an 11-year-old, haven't caused any damage to the center console. In the beginning, I did think strongly about getting one, but after 2 months of flip-flopping, I decided not to in the end. Other than greasy fingerprints occasionally, the screen is holding up just fine and works as well as day one. Okay, so that's my take on screen protectors in Teslas. Honestly, there's no wrong answers here. This is a very individual decision. You're probably going to be fine without a screen protector, but everyone's lives are different and there's no harm in getting one either. My name is Steve Young. Thank you so much for watching.